So this app pays you $5 welcome bonus, and all you have to do is put in your email address, put in your password, and click on this I agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, and then click on join now, register an account, and you get $5 welcome bonus. All right, and also the next app also pays us $5, and all you have to do is come over right here, click on agree to terms of use privacy policy, and then you can actually sign in with your Google account, with your Apple account, or with your email. Just click on sign in, log in, and then you get a $5 bonus. All right. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to walk us through and show us best apps that will pay us PayPal money. All right, now I'm going to show you these apps that are actually going to help you to make money online. All right, so if you're in a position where you're just trying to start making money online and you've not been able to do so, now I'm going to show you the apps that can actually help you make money online. Now these apps I'm going to show you right here, they're not going to help make you rich or make you wealthy, but if you're at a point where you've not made money online, these apps is for you, because this app is going to, like, I'm going to guarantee you that these apps will help you make your first dollar or your first few bucks online. All right, so I'm going to get right into the details right here and start sharing these apps with us. I have about 8 of them that I'm going to share with us in this particular video. But before I do that, guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Ebenezer Link, and one thing I do on this particular channel, the Grind Academy, is that I create awesome videos that is basically centered around making money online. All right, so if you're interested in making money online, be sure to come over right here and smash the subscribe button. All right, if you've not subscribed, smash that subscribe button, and also like this video if you've gotten value so far. And then please guys, if you get value, if you have questions, if you have opinions that you want to share with us, don't hesitate, don't forget to drop that in the comment section. All right guys, let's get into the details and let's see what we have. All right, so the first app that I'm going to share with you guys is this app. It's called Userfeel. All right, so you can actually go to Play Store, your iOS store, and you can be able to get this app. All right, now look at this app. This app can actually help you make money online. Now if we go to your website, we're going to see the app in details. Right, it says easy user testing without needing a subscription. So all you have to do is you sign up on the platform, and what will you be doing on the platform to make money? Just like we know, you cannot make free money with these apps. All right, you need to put it in the work. You need to work a little bit for you to make money with this app. All right, so all you have to do is that you have to test app, all right, or website or prototype, and when you test this app, you can actually get paid from $30 upwards. All right, so you can also see it here: discover insight and optimize your website, prototype, or app from $30 per user test. So you get to be paid $30 when you test an app, website, or a prototype on this platform. And all you have to do is come over right here. We said get paid to test. You click on it, and then you go through the details and you actually sign up. All right, so become a tester website and earn $3 to $30 per test. All right, you can actually see that right here. So all you have to do is click on start testing, you create an account, and you start testing. But be sure to watch their video. Right, you don't get paid if you don't watch the just training video and frequently ask questions. All right, so just go ahead and watch the video that is here, that is this one. All right, this particular video, go ahead and watch it. It's about 1 minute and 36 seconds. All right, that is it for this app. Now I'm going to share with you guys the next app that we can actually perform tax on and earn money. All right, so this particular one right here actually pays you $5 upon sign up. All right, so you want to earn your first guaranteed $5, sign up on this app and you earn. All right, so you can see how the app is. Just go to Google Play sorry, and or Apple's Play Store, and you will be able to download this app. All right, so right now let's go ahead and look at their website. All right, so now this is how the website is. Be rewarded for taking surveys, shopping and cash offers, playing games. All right, so on this particular platforms, you can basically do 3 things and earn money. You take surveys, that is, you carry out tasks, you answer questions, you shop, and you actually earn money when you shop, and then you play games and you also earn money. But if you want to make your first $5, be sure to sign up with them and you get to the point where you start making money. All right, so we're going to go ahead right now and we're going to look at the third one. I've actually mentioned 2, so let's go to the third one right here. The third one right here is called Swagbucks. all right, Swagbucks, and this is how the app looks. All right, so you can actually go ahead and download the app and use it. All right, so now on the website it says you save money, you make money. All right, and you can actually join for free. Now, how do you make money on this platform? You get paid to answer surveys anytime, anywhere. All right, there are lots of surveys on this platform, and you can actually get paid to actually answer the surveys. All right, and you're gonna get paid through gift cards and PayPal. Right, so gift card and PayPal, that is what they use for payments on this app or website. So all you have to do is come over right here and click on sign up, and you're gonna get signed up. So I'm gonna rush over and we're gonna go over to the fourth one. All right, so the first one right here is one tangible app right here. It's called Premise. All right, it said earn money for tax. Just like Swagbucks, you also earn money by performing taxes. That is if there is the Google Play. That is how it looks on Google Play. So just go back to the website right here. Go over to the it says earn money, make impact. All right, and all I have to do is join this particular website and you become a contributor. Let's say they ask questions on the platform, you answer questions, you have an idea, you share with the community, and then you earn money when you make an impact on the community. It's basically that simple. You're carrying out tasks, you're answering questions, you're doing one or two things, you're actually contributing to the community. So head up to Google Play and download it. Now, if you go to the website is actually called premise.com or premise.com, and then all you have to do is come over right here where it says become a contributor, because you're going to go to the home page when you get to this platform. So if you click on become a contributor, it's going to refer you to contributors.premise.com, and all you have to do is when you click on it, you're just going to join the community and you start contributing and start making money. Now I'm going to go over to the next one, which is the fifth one. Now the fifth one right here is called QMEE.com. Right, that's if you want to get on the website QMEE.com, and all I have to do is pay survey, cash rewards. And just like with other apps that I've shown you like right now, what you have to do is you carry out surveys, you answer surveys, and you get cash rewards. So you can actually go through it. Make sure you go through this website and sign up properly, and a lot of persons are actually earning money with this. All right, and you can actually check out their website, and let's click on reject all right here. Earn real cash with paid online surveys. So just come over right here and you can see that I've paid over 45 I think that's $1 million, that's $45 million to their users. Just come over right here and click on sign up, and then you're ready to sign up. It's pretty that easy. Answer the surveys correctly and you get paid. So the next one right here, now we're almost done because I've been actually spinning it up and I've actually been giving us the real source without taking our time. All right, so before I continue, guys, if you've gotten value so far, don't hesitate. Don't stop yourself from actually subscribing, because when you subscribe, you'll be the first hand to get first-hand information when I drop it on this platform. All right, okay, so just sign up and we'll go over to the next one. Now the next one right here is actually similar to one app I would recommend to us, which is Honeygain, but then I'm not recommending it in this particular video, so I'm recommending this one, which is called StreetBees. And just like one of the platforms I've mentioned earlier, you have to contribute on the platform. All right, so this is how the app looks like, and if you just check them out, go ahead and check them out, and you get paid to chat. Like you're contributing is similar, get paid to chat, you chat and you earn money. It's really that simple. Now I'm going to go over right now and actually mention the last one. Now this one is actually going to pay us. Previously they paid $10 welcome bonus, but they've reduced it to $5 welcome bonus, and you can actually be a partaker of this. You can actually share from this. All right, so you come over right there, and the platform is called My Points Mobile, sorry, and the website is mypoints.com. so just come over to My Points Mobile, download it, sign up, or you can go over to their website right here, and it says join now for free, get a $5 welcome bonus. All right, and all you have to do is come over right here, put your email, put in your password, and you earn points. Now this point, when you carry out tasks on the platform, you earn points. Now when you earn these points can actually be redeemed for free gift card rewards. All right, So basically, you're not going to be earning with, like, you're not going to be be able to withdraw through your PayPal on this platform. But the good thing why I showed you guys this one is because you get to earn about $5. All right. So come over right here, sign up right here, join them, and then you actually carry out activities, you earn points, and redeem those points, and you get free gift cards, which you can actually use to purchase, or you can actually redeem these cards through vendors, and they will convert the cards to money. All right. So it's pretty that simple. Right, so now I've shown you guys this apps. Now all you have to do, all you owe yourself, is to go out there and actually try out those apps and actually start making money. All right, it's actually guaranteed you're gonna make money, because this two apps I actually show you guys, there's my points, is gonna pay like $5, and Inbox Dollar is also going to pay like $5 upon welcome. So when you make extra $5, you'll be able to withdraw. All right, so each of them you're guaranteed to get like $10, like first day of signing up, because you can actually make $5 and then you get to withdraw. All right, so now that I've shown you guys this, I know I've shared value, and being that I've shared value, I'm going to ask you one more time to actually leave a like to the video. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification icon. All right, so we've done that. Be sure to put into practice what I've shown you guys, and without further ado guys, it's going to be a peace out, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Peace.